Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Salim and welcome to my channel. So far we have learned to add two numbers in a program, and those two numbers were of data type integer. But what happens if we try to perform that addition operation on character data type? Now when we try to do such operation on character data type, the output is going to be different. For example, in this program, I am going to add a, which is an integer variable and its value is 12, and b, whose value is 13. So the output is going to be 25, which is simple math. But what happens if I perform the same calculation on character variables? So let me create two character variables, character ch1, and I'm going to assign it a value 2, and ch2, and I'm going to assign it 4, and I'm going to use int sum is equal to ch1 plus ch2 printf percentage d sum. Now you can see the program, and in this program I'm adding two character variables. The value of one variable is 2 and the value of the second variable is 4, and the both variables are of type character. So now when I will run the program, you will see a strange output on the screen. Instead of printing 6, the program has printed 102. I was not expecting this output is the question that students usually think. So now we have to understand why this has happened. I told you in the character data type video that every character in C language is assigned with an associated ASCII value. ASCII value is used to represent codes in computer, and every character that is present on your keyboard has been assigned an ASCII value. For example, capital A is equal to 65. So there are so many ASCII characters and you can see them on Google. I have opened a link in front of you. You can see all the characters and their ASCII values from here. For example, the ASCII value for capital A is 65. Similarly, the ASCII value of small a is 97. Similarly, the ASCII value for 0 is 48. So now let's get back to the program. I have used I have assigned 2 in ch1 and 4 in ch2. And when I tried to add these two character variables, the output is not 6. Instead, the output is 102. Why this happened? Because character variables, whenever we try to add the character variables, instead of adding the values, compiler add the ASCII values of those characters. So you can see on the website that the ASCII value of 2 is 50 and the ASCII value of 4 is 52. So now when we will try to add these two numbers, instead of displaying the result 6, the result is going to be 102, which is the sum of 50 and 52. So now when I will run the program, the output is going to be 102 that you can see on the screen. What if I write percentage C here? Now you might be thinking that the data type for integer sum is integer, and why I am using percentage C here? Is it going to be an error? No, it is not going to be an error. Let me first execute this in front of you. The output here is going to be a lowercase alphabet f, small f. So now what happened here is that when I added ch1 with ch2, the result was 102. And when I printed the percentage C, the associated character to 102 ASCII is going to be printed. So 102 is equal to small f. So when I will run the program, the output is going to be small f that you can see on the screen. So this is how character variables or character constant vary from integer and floating point values. You can perform addition on character variables, but the nature of character variable are different and the output is also going to be different. I hope that you have understood the concept. We are also going to perform a small program, and in this program I'm going to write a comment. In this program we are going to convert character into ASCII value. Basically, in this program user is going to enter a character. So let's suppose for getting the input I'm going to use ch as variable, and I want to make this program user friendly, so I want a message at the beginning, enter a character, scanf. You can also use get ch or get che, whatever you want to do, but I'm going to use scanf statement. So percentage c and ampersand sign or address operator, you can also call it address operator, is going to be used here. Now whatever the user has entered, I want to print its ASCII value. So for that, I am going to write the statement printf the ASCII value of percentage C is percentage D. Now when I will run the program, and let's suppose I have entered capital A and I have entered the enter key, the output is going to be the ASCII value of capital A is 65. You can also verify it from the website. The ASCII value of capital A is 65. So our program is correct. But what have I done here? We have to understand it. So the user has entered a character and I want to convert that character into a number. So in the previous program, we did it by using percentage D instead of percentage C. Here we are going to do the same thing. If we want to print the ASCII value of a character, we use percentage D, and if we want to print the character itself, we use percentage C, and vice versa. So the ASCII value of percentage C is percentage D, and I have written ch, the name of variable, two times in the printf statement. The first ch is corresponding to percentage C and it will print the character itself, and the second ch is corresponding to percentage D, which will print the ASCII value. So this is how you can convert a character into an ASCII value. You can in future we are going to be discussing about conditional programs in which we can compare characters with other values. So you can do it with characters or with ASCII values. Comparison can be done using character values or their ASCII values. Both are correct. So I hope that you have understood the concept of character data type and how we are going to use and how these data types differ from integer and floating point numbers. So if there is any question, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have understood the concept and if you have liked the video, please press the thumbs up button and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.